Hello. So in my last video, I had shared in detail on how I had created a tie and dye pattern out of the 7 meters raw silk fabric that I had. I'll attach a link for you all to watch. Today, I'll be sharing on how I created an entire outfit out of it. Before starting, this is another outfit that I had created from scratch and it gives me princess vibes. Love it. Okay, now let's start. This is the completed dyed fabric which has dot patterns all over it. Now on the dots, I plan to attach these circular mirrors. I bought them from Raja Market Avenue Road in Bengaluru. First, I had planned to attach mirrors on every alternate dot. Then I went ahead and attached the mirrors for every other dot. I also plan to add a lace on the borders. This is the lace that I bought again from Raja Market. It's about 9 meters and will be attaching on the borders. Now before I started sewing the lace, as you can see the end of the fabric was fraying. So I cut out the frayed ends, did a hem stitch. Once the hem stitch was done throughout the length of the ends, only then I started stitching the lace. And this is my bird net. With the help of a fabric glue, I attached the circular mirrors on all the dots. I haven't counted the number of dots though. Once all this was completed, this is how the entire sari looks like. Let me know by commenting down below how you feel it turned out. At first, I wore the sari with this white embroidered blouse. I actually liked it, but my mom did not approve of it, so I changed the blouse. This is a grey colored blouse with sequins work all over it. I am always a minimal jewelry kind of a person. I want the outfit to shine. For the jewelry, I had these two options for earrings. One are these chandbalis and another are these danglers with ear chain. Which one to choose? Which one would you have chosen? Since I was confused, I was calling my mom there so that I could take her opinion. She chose the chandbalis. But did I listen to her? I chose the danglers with the ear chain. On my right hand, I want to wear silver bangles. This is how I store them in a hanger. After wearing an oversized ring on my left hand, this is how the entire sari looks like. Do let me know by commenting down below how you feel it turned out. Hey, also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video among all your friends and family. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.